Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Binge app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow the simple steps. So first of all, you have to open your Google Play Store. If you are an iOS user, then you have to open your Apple Store. So at here, you have to go to the search bar at the left corner here. Okay. And then here you have to search for the app. So here my app is Binge app. So Binge, here you can search Binge. So here I can see the Binge app. So let's click on here, Binge Bangladesh, Binge. So to install it, you have to click on the install button. When you just click here, it will automatically download and install the app in your mobile phone. And if you scroll down, you can also read the review of this app from here, and you can also write it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.